Introducing My Account at the new ackerwines.com. My Account was built to host a cache of brand new tools and features designed to put you in control of your Acker wine experience. Designed as your personal command center, the new My Account section gives users the power to build and maintain an address book, store payment information, track purchase and auction bid history, build and submit appraisals, even keep a favorites list and a wish list for later. To access My Account, Acker Wine's existing account holders may log in at the top right of the screen. Then, hover over My Account to be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can see a shortcut to your most recent auction and retail orders, and arrange to settle any open invoices. The Account Settings tab is where you manage your personal information, such as passwords and account notification preferences. Navigating to the Address Book tab, this is where you can keep a full book of unlimited billing and shipping entries, including storage locker addresses, family and friend addresses, and more, which is perfect for sending gifts in a few quick clicks. With your wallet securely stored in the Payment Methods tab, checkout is a breeze. Over at the Purchase History tab, your auction and retail purchase history are now available at a glance. No more digging for receipts and invoice records. You can filter by type of purchase and refine your search by a specific date range. Then, you can view and download invoices for your reference anytime. My Auctions is where your bidding history lives. You can keep track of bids you've placed in past auctions and see whether you've won or lost the bid. Clicking Search next to any item in the Buy Again tab takes you to our search results landing page so that, won or lost, you get another shot at adding them to your collection. You can filter results by time frame and search for specific wines on which you've bid by entering them in the search bar. Wishing you could remember the name of that great bottle you bought last week? Now you don't have to. The My Wines tab is where all of your Acker auction and retail purchase history lives. My Portfolio gives you insights into overall trends in your buying patterns. 4 graphs at the top of the page show the overall makeup of your portfolio, including region, vintage, producer, and bottle format. Clicking the slices of the pie in each graph filters the selections in the chart below. The Appraisal Builder is an amazingly convenient tool that allows you to initiate an appraisal inquiry directly from your portfolio. Click the checkboxes in the right-hand column of the chart to select which wines you would like appraised. Expand the builder to view wines you've added. You can enter wines manually, which may not be included in your Acker portfolio, using the Manual Wine Entry tool at the top of the builder. When you're ready, click Submit, and an appraisal request will go directly to the consignment department for evaluation. As you're browsing the Acker shop, you may come across wines you want to come back to later. Clicking the heart next to any item will add it to your favorites. A convenient Favorites tab in My Account will show you a list of your saved items, perfect for quick, easy, and inspired shopping. You can also add items you may not be ready to take home just yet to your wish list and save them for later. A convenient To-Style View button allows you to view favorites and wish list bottles with images, or as a convenient list, and either remove them or add them to your shopping cart with a click. If you are a member of the Acker Wine Club, your enrollment information will now live in this tab for easy access. No more searching for plastic cards. Gift cards now simply and securely live at My Account, ready to be applied to your shopping cart by clicking Apply to Cart. The new Acker Wines My Account is designed to make your Acker experience the easiest, most pleasurable wine buying experience in existence. With new tools and functionality rolling out all the time, keep an eye on your My Account for enhancements. Welcome to the new ackerwines.com, the experience of buying fine wine made easier than ever before.